All right, so here is another example, okay? Anthony runs a bicycle newspaper delivery company that charges $3 per delivery plus 50 cents per mile. So we need to write an equation in the form y equals mx plus b and fill in the table, okay? So he charges $3 per delivery plus 50 cents per mile, okay? So in our table we have distance and miles, okay? So distance in miles and cost. Okay, so distance is our x values and y is our cost. Okay, now let's go ahead and fill in our x values as 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, all right, now we need to first write an equation in this form, y equals mx plus b. Okay, now our b is our starting value. Okay, so that delivery fee, the $3, is going to be our starting value, okay? This, 50 cents per mile, that's like the rate of change, okay? The rate that the cost changes for however many miles that are driven, okay? So y equals mx plus b. Now let's write our equation. Y equals 0.50 x plus 3, okay? So that's our equation. Now, let's take this equation and fill in our cost for each of these x values, okay? So just like the last example, we are going to take each x value and place it into our equation right where the x is, okay? So I'm going to do all my work in my table, okay? So first, here, okay, now we already know we're solving for y, so in our table, when we're showing all of our work, we don't need to say y equals 0.50 times 0. I mean, we can just write 0.50, okay? Remember, we're substituting our x value into our equation, 0 plus 3, okay? Now, 0.5 or 0.50 times 0 is just 0, but I'm still adding 3. So 0 plus 3 is 3. Okay, so that means for 0 miles, you are charged $3. Okay, so let's do the same thing for each x value. Okay, 0.50 times 1 plus 3. Okay, 0.50 times 1 is 0.50 plus 3. So that gives me 3.50. Okay, so for 1 mile, you are charged $3.50. Okay, for 2 miles, okay, same thing, 0.50 times 2 plus 3, okay, 0.50 times 2 is 1, plus 3, 1 plus 3 is 4, okay, all right, 0.50 times 3 plus 3, okay, so 0.50 times 3 is 1.5 plus 3. 1.5 plus 3 is 4.5. And lastly, 0.50 times 4 plus 3, okay? 0.5 times 4 is 2 plus 3 is 5, okay? So now we have written our equation and we filled out our table for this example.